Okay, so after signing up from the through Facebook, like I showed yesterday, so in the home page, we'll just click on the page, manage, click manage. So the first step that you guys can do is filling up all the information. Click on Easy Shop. So the Easy Shop will bring you to the shop information. So you can give a unique shop name. So you can give the shop name, and you cannot give space in between. So, and you have to, it has to be at least 8 characters long and cannot contain any spaces or special characters like uh, any kind of special characters like these. So you cannot add these. So after giving the name, you'll save it. So if the shop name is not used by anyone else, your name will be successfully saved. So you need to put in all the details, the company name, company email, phone number, then owner name, gender, address. So city, zip code. Then the currency, you will have to select MYR for Malaysian ringgit. So in your shop, the currency will be shown as Malaysian ringgit. And you can choose the default delivery charges. So by default, we select 8, or it depends on from shop to shop if you want to increase or decrease it. So you will select that. And then in company details, you will write about the company. You can select business sector. Wait, let me refresh. It's not showing the business sector. Okay. So in the business sector, you can select retail and wholesale, or depends on the shop. So the company name. So you can also, if you don't have the company number or the business reference number, you can keep it empty. But in the basic information, these informations are the ones that are marked red. This information is important. And in the company details, if you don't have a logo or company cover page, you can skip this. So you can also put your IC identification number. You can write the IC number or the SSM number if you have an SSM number. So you can write it in the identification number. And bank details is important for the online transfer. So you need the bank information. You have to place it in the bank details. And then you don't have to do anything here. You can just skip this in the order and easy options and click on save. So your business settings will be saved. So that's the first part. So after signing up, that's the first thing that you should do. And then before actually doing the chatbot, we should start adding the products first, because since the chatbot has to show the products, so the products has to be in the system first. So you click on product and it brings you to the product. So in this shop, we already have a lot of products already added. Okay, so before showing how to add product, so do you have any question relating to the basic information and the bank details that I talked about? Do you have any question, anybody? Yeah, is everyone clear about this?
Okay, for now, maybe if we go through when we fill up, I mean, all those details,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
if we find any Any problem,
Yes,
then we
yes.
can refer to you. Yep. Mhm.
Yeah,
You
if it
can
is
you can fill up either one tau. If you have a company, your own company, then you put in the SSM number lah. Then
Okay.
dekat situ you pilih lah untuk SSM ataupun
Okay.
BRN. But if you don't have a company, you can put in your IC number. So you pilih dekat situ option dia IC lah, new IC kategori. Okay, ID type tu. Gitu.
Alright.
Okay. So so you pilih yang mana kena dengan you, apa informasi yang you ada.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright. So kalau you ada company logo ke, kalau you sebagai company kan kita ada logo sendiri, tak apa, boleh masukkan juga kat situ.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Alright.
okay,
Continue.
so moving on. And if you have any problem while filling up, you can always personal message me and I'll help you out with that. It's not a
Okay.
problem. So now continuing to the products. So now you need to add the products in your shop. So I'll just show how to add a product. So after clicking on product, it will show the product information. So here is the button, add product. So you can just click on this. So it will give you the add product dialog box. So now you just need to add product that you're wanting. Maybe I'll add one for you to understand. So I'll give the product name, add a product code. Product code has to be unique for each product. Otherwise the system won't take. For example, you can use 001, then 002, or maybe if you have any specific codes, you can use it. So for this, I'll just add and then you put in the product description. So if you are not going to give a discount for this product, you just write discount amount and discount percentage as 0. If you want to give a discount, you can also increase it as percentage or as amount. So currently I'll just put in 0. In the available stock, you will click on add to stock and write the amount of stock that you have for the product. Then unit price. So you'll put in the unit price. And for price notes, you will write RM for Malaysian ringgit. So in the shop, when the product will be shown, the price note will be shown before the unit price. So it will be easier for the customers to understand. So now you have to add the image. So you can just click on upload if you have the image already. Choose file. So choose the image. So then you can put in all the details. You can give the size or the weight, like maybe 500 grams. So I don't have any size option, so I'm just clicking no. Color option, no. So it depends on your product. Then you add your product categories. So in the product family, this one is going in the cookies. So when you're going to add the product, maybe you have you're adding pests, so you can write pests in the family. So when the customer will order, they can see that product under the pests category. So you can just add family and type. And if you don't have other more detailed categories, then you can skip this also. So you can write the weight. So it's in kg. So I'll just put in 0.5 for 500 gram. After that, you just click on add. See, here is the product I just added. So this is how you're going to add all the products in your shop. So are you guys clear about how to add the products by yourself? Or do you want me to repeat any part that you might be confused about? Yeah, everyone clear? I hope.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you can always get back to me and I'll be happy to show you again. It's not a problem. So after the products have been added, now you can set up your chatbot. So I've already showed you how to do this. I'll just go through it again. So after coming to the FAQ section, clicking on FAQ, so you will get these three options. So you can click on show specialized. So these are our different kinds of preset chatbots. So we have for different language, for English language, we have for Malay language, for Bengali language. So we also have this one, Eat by Eats for restaurants, then medicine for pharmaceuticals. So we have set the flow in such a way that it suits the business that is operating. So we are choosing Lena for this one because we have set Lena in a way that it is more suitable for the retail businesses. So like the ones that you guys are handling, this one is the best one for you. And this is also in the Malay language. So the chatbot understands Malay language as well. So we'll just click on apply. So after clicking on apply, the page will reload itself. And then you have to click on show activate. Okay, so my one is already activated. That's why it shows deactivate. You will get an option here called activate. You just have to click on it, and then your chatbot will be activated for testing. And you can also go live. I'll show that later. So currently, we'll just train the bot. I'll just reload. If sometimes it does not work, you will just you just need to reload the page, refresh the page. So these are the preset ones for the Lena bot. So I'll just show one. You can see this one. This is for the greetings. So you can click on show variations. Sorry. So for this, you can add variations. We have salam, akum, assalam, assalamu alaikum. Hello there. Hi, salam. Because the customers that are going to message, they will message, one person will message maybe hi. So one person will say assalamu alaikum. So you need to have all these variations in the chatbot, because if you have more variations, the chatbot will be able to answer to everything. So we have also said hello. Maybe someone will say hello like this.
Sebenarnya di sini kita kan kadang-kadang kita tahu kan customer kita message kita dekat dalam Facebook, dekat dalam what do you call dekat Facebook, dekat dalam WhatsApp. Kadang-kadang diorang macam eja Assalamualaikum pun ada yang bagi salam, cakap salam je. Ada setengah yang ya AKUM, akum kan. So kita boleh masukkan keyword tu dalam ni juga. So bila orang type macam-macam ni, dia boleh respon lah. Kadang-kadang dia terus PM. Dia akan tulis PM je kan. So you boleh cakap hi. So you boleh bagi dia respon, hi, selamat datang ke halaman Umuda HQ contoh. So dia boleh respon lah dengan apa-apa sahaja cara orang memberi greetings lah yang orang bagi. Itu adalah sebenarnya konsep dia. Faham tak? Faham? Tolong komen faham sikit. Boleh?
Faham.
Terima kasih. Alright, please
Okay.
continue.
Yeah. So you have different variations for each of the options. So the more variations that you have, it's better because it will show more, the more kind of different kind of responses from the customers, the chatbot will be able to understand. And if it is not included in the variations, the chatbot won't be able to understand and it won't reply. So it is better to add more variations. So we have this one like Tak Faham. So we have variations, 3 variations here. I'll show one with more variation. Okay, maybe bye. So this is the ending greeting. So this is the message that we want to.
Actually, the word tak faham means cannot understand. So you
Yeah.
can actually, when people go to tak faham, you can actually redirect them to human intervention. Makna dia, you boleh tinggalkan phone number di situ. So bila dia type tak faham, okay, then terus keluar nombor telefon you untuk dia call. So bila dia tekan kat nombor tu, dia akan pergi dekat calling features dekat you punya phone lah. Do you understand? Let me show you. Wait lah.
Dia ataupun
Sorry,
kadang-kadang
sebab saya punya network.
okey, dia pun ataupun kadang-kadang
Network tak stable.
Okay, so satu-satu dulu cakap. Siapa nak cakap dulu?
apa Kak Jamilah cakap tu?
Tak, sorry, kadang-kadang agak network tak stable. Dia keluar masuk. Dia
Okey.
punya ni, jadi macam terkendala. Tak apa, Munif berteruskan.
Okey, cuma saya nak tambah sikit lah. Kadang-kadang biasalah orang chatting ni kadang dia suka guna short form. Macam tak faham tu kadang letak TK jarak FHM. Pun kita rasanya boleh letak juga kat dalam variation tu.
Ya, betul.
Sebab kadang, yelah maklumlah sekarang ni zaman-zaman budak-budak WeChat ni kan, dia banyak guna short form.
Dia ada guna TK ataupun dia bubur X, lepas tu space faham.
Jadi
kan?
maksudnya
So
chatbot kita tu setting tu dia akan tahulah apa soalan yang dia nak lah. Ya,
betul. And then satu lagi, ini adalah AI chatbot tau. So di mana andai kata macam saya rasa siapa tak Cik Amzirin kot. Cik Amzirin kan Cik Izamirul suka tulis tulisan Jawi kan. So kalau you ada customer you semua yang suka tulis tulisan Jawi, you boleh setting juga untuk bahagian Jawi. Faham Faham maksud saya? So dia AI chatbot ni sebab dia micro data set. Dia menggunakan micro data set. Jadi dia mengikut apa yang you nak setting dia, nak set dia untuk. Okay, kalau you nak set dia untuk tulisan Cina, tulisan Jawi, tulisan India, semua boleh. Okay, tapi pastikan customer you dengan you ada use that keypad lah kan. Itu yang saya nak masukkan. Sebab tu macam kat sini ada setengah customer saya dia guna dua bahasa. maknanya bahasa Melayu dengan bahasa Inggeris. So bila orang cakap hi tu, mungkin dia punya perkataan, dia punya greeting kali pertama tu adalah bahasa Melayu. Lepas tu dia akan bagi macam pilih bahasa. Pilih bahasa untuk anda berkomunikasi. So ada button untuk bahasa Melayu dan bahasa Inggeris. So orang boleh pilih lah mana satu. Okay.
Right.
Contoh saya bagi macam Umi Hana. Go to Umi Hana page. Umi Hana clothing. Oh, this is an Instagram account. Ini bukan chatbot, ini Instagram account. Dia dah pergi ke kita tengok. Semalam tengok okey je ada. Kita pergi ke webshop. Okay, contoh kat sini. Macam Umi Hana ni, I just share my screen sekejap so that you can see the flow. I'll just share the screen for a while. Okay, this Umi Hana chatbot, kalau dia cakap hello, kalau kita cakap hello, dia akan bagi respon macam ni. Okay, dia akan bagi respon macam ni. Dia akan cakap terima kasih kerana message kami akan respon cepat mungkin. Ni yang dia bagi ni lah. So you boleh select a language. Nampak tak? Yang ni dia terlupa nak off dia punya ni. Yang ni terlupa nak off dia punya auto responder dekat dalam auto reply yang dekat dalam messenger tu dalam Facebook sendiri tu. So kalau dia offkan benda tu, dia akan dapat satu reply sajalah. Sebab tak select a language. So kalau dia nak select language, let's say bahasa Melayu, dia akan dapatlah. Selamat datang ke laman Umi Hana. Sila klik pada butang di bawah untuk melihat produk kami. Dia letaklah produk-produk dia. Nampak tak? Dia letaklah produk kategori dia. Sebab pada satu-satu masa dia boleh ada 3 button sahaja. Okay? 3 produk kategori sahaja. Dia dalam satu-satu masa lah. Okay. Lepas tu macam saya klik food. Saya klik food. So dia dia bagi tahulah klik pautan ni. And then dia akan letak semua benda yang bawah kategori food tu. Ni adalah produk yang bawah kategori food. Ni kalau kita klik dia akan pergi ke webshop lah kalau nak details yang lebih lanjut. Oh, sorry. Dia punya produk sudah habis. Okay. Faham Okay. Alright. Itu maksud saya. Okay, now over to you. Over to you, Imtiaz.
Yeah. So as I was saying about the variations, so this is the message that has been set for the buy, or the variation can be TK, bye-bye, terima kasih, thank you, TQ. So for any of these variations, the chatbot is going to give the same reply. So I'll just show that to you. This is the page. So see for buy, for queue, the chatbot gives the same reply. So actually for all the variations, the chatbot will understand and then give the same response. So we can change this also. You can just type here. If you want to change the message, you can type here, and then you just need to click save. This is the save button. You can click save, and for variations, you can also add variations. Here are the add new button. So maybe you can just add this with PE. I have just added. Click on save changes. And then you click on the save here also. Because if you don't click save, the chatbot won't be trained and updated. So every time you change something, you need to save that.
Okay.
So after adding all the questions and variations, so now you can also add a new question if you would like. So just click on this plus button. So you'll write the new question. So maybe
add one of the frequent asked question from your customer. Maybe your customer always ask about self pickup. Boleh self pickup tak? Boleh uh, where do you deliver? You know, benda-benda macam tu. So try to train the bot to answer all at least some of the FAQ yang customer selalu tanya. Kan?
okay. So I'll just add the self pickup. I'll show you how to add this.
Sebab bila you add all these soalan-soalan lazim, it'll be easier for you to complete. That means your chatbot nanti by tomorrow you will have like almost like 50% to 60% ready. Okay, tinggal tunggu nak live sahaja. So bila dia change price plan, boleh live, boleh promote dah. So orang boleh start membeli daripada chatbot you. You pun akan buat satu test order. Ini adalah task esok. Test order satu melalui chatbot. So kita siapkan sebanyak mungkin. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so when you add the question, the question itself is the first variation. So you can see the variation. So now you can add different variations for this. Self pickup, then you have self pickup. So like this, you can add many variations. So after every 10 variations, you should click on save, because if you add more than 10 variations at a time, it takes a lot of loading time. So I'll suggest that when you are adding variations, just add 10 at a time.
Okay.
So when you're doing FAQ, you know how your customer usually asks you. So you can add the different ways that they ask the same question. So the chatbot will understand, because if the chatbot doesn't understand, then it won't be able to reply.
Sorry, can you give Jamila Lemon's chatbot link to me in the chat now? Direct to me?
Yeah, yeah.
Because I'm talking to Promi to solve her issue.
Okay, 1 second.
Thanks.
Yeah, so after adding the variation, you're going to type your response. So this is the message. So you're going to yes, we have serve pickup option. Then you can just write the address or address is. So you write address as it is. So for all the variations that you have added, the chatbot will give you the same answer for this. After that, you'll just click on save. Yeah. Yeah, you do have a question?
At first we have to ask question, then we have to answer, right?
Yes.
Yes, dia kena
But-
ikut sebab dia kena mirror, dia kena ikut macam you punya customer akan tanya soalan apa. Dia kena tahu soalan-soalan lazim kan, macam kita buat soalan-soalan lazim punya section dekat dalam website kita, macam itulah. Cuma
Maknanya
instead
kita kena maknanya kita tulis soalan dulu dan kita jawab apa yang kita soalan.
apa yang jawapan yang sesuai untuk kita jawab soalan yang customer tanya. Sebab bila pun dah menjual produk ni, mesti pun tahu kan macam soalan-soalan yang selalu customer tanya. Produk boleh tahan berapa lama, berat berapa, hantar ke sini ke tak, hantar ke area Puchong ke tak, boleh buat self pick up ke tak, macam tu kan. Berapa charge penghantaran. So benda-benda ni semua macam soalan-soalan lazim yang you memang dah ada dalam sistem, tapi boleh tukar dia punya jawapan lah. Tukar jawapan dia ataupun tukar sikit dia punya soalan tu pun boleh. Nak edit pun boleh. Okay. Okay, sorry. Please continue.
Yeah, so like you were asking, so you have to add the questions and also the answers. So once you train the chatbot, then after that, it becomes very easy because the chatbot will answer for you. So only the training part is a little bit hard. So you have to train it. And after that, your life will be easier because the chatbot will do all the work for you. So after you're done, you can just add save. Click on OK. Yeah, save incomplete. So this question has also been added to the bot. So since there is an issue with the price plan, I cannot show that this one is working, but in your one it should work. And if it doesn't, just you can ask me, I'll check back and it will work for you also. So this is the part. Now I'll show after you're done with your training. So you'll just, after you're happy with your chatbot and you have tested it, so then you will just go to show active. And then there is this option to go live. So you'll click on go live and then your chatbot will be live.
Okay, apa tugasan chatbot ni sebenarnya? Chatbot ni dia macam okay, kita kan bila kita buat bisnes ni, kita especially bila kita nak kerja sales, kita kena jadi kita kena stop jadi CEO, chief of everything. Okay, so kita kena chief everything officer, sorry, kita kena stop jadi chief everything officer, especially kalau lagipun kalau macam kita bekerja, ini salah satu benda yang penting lah. So kita kena guna satu macam bibik lah untuk tolong kita close sales, untuk jawab pertanyaan masa kita tak free kan. So itulah sebabnya kita nak kena macam kalau kita hire sales assistant, kita nak kena train dia kan. Kita nak kena bayar gaji dia, bayar EPF sokso dia semua bagai semua tu kan. Tapi samalah juga bila kita ada chatbot ni, kita kena train chatbot ni. Kita nak kena delegate tugas kita dekat dia. Kita nak kena build kita punya own team. Kita nak bina team kita sendiri walaupun team kita ni termasuklah dengan sistem. Itulah sebenarnya fungsi chatbot ni. So dia akan menolong kita untuk close sale, dia akan menolong jawab pertanyaan kita, pertanyaan customer kita bila kita tak ada kelapangan untuk jawab soalan-soalan tu. Mungkin masa kadang-kadang manusia ni dia kadang-kadang suka tanya, dia suka message pukul 10 ke atas. Kadang-kadang orang dah tidur kan. So tapi dalam dunia teknologi ni sekarang bila orang tanya soalan tu, dia expect orang tu jawab secepat mungkin. Just because dia tak tidur, just kerana dia tak tidur, dia ingat semua orang pun tak tidur. So so sebab saya pun pernah kena macam tu. Lepas tu pagi saya bangun orang tu dah macam ayat dia semua dah kasar-kasar dalam apa? Dalam saya punya WhatsApp, ada dalam saya punya Facebook. Saya punya Facebook. Masa tu baru saya tahu saya perlukan chatbot. Sebab dia message saya pukul 12:30 malam. So of course lah saya tidur dah waktu tu kan.
Betul.
Sebab masa time tu je yang dia free. And then dia biasalah kan ibu yang bekerja ni mungkin lepas anak-anak dah tidur baru dia free, baru dah sempat nak tanya ni kan. So dia message saya masa tu masa saya tak ada chatbot lagi. So bila dia tanya benda tu, mestilah saya tak jawab. Saya tidur. Lepas tu petang-petang tu dia lepas tu pagi saya bangun, dia kata dia expect saya jawab dengan cepat mungkin. Dia kata macam saya tak nak bisnes dia. So saya pun jadi macam macam mana orang ni kan.
Yalah.
Tapi kita pun kita faham sebab lain manusia ni lain dia punya rentak dia kan. So kalau kita ada chatbot ni, dia akan tolong jawab soalan-soalan lazim customer kita. Jadi kita pun tak payahlah nak repeat selalu kan. Selalu saya dapat soalan yang sama. Macam saya owner tadika. Orang akan PM saya, hi teacher, nak tahu fee. Tak ada bagi salam kadang-kadang. PM harga. Dia macam tu je. Kan? So saya macam dah tahu, okay, kalau orang tanya PM harga, PM fee, yang tu semua okay. So saya dah tahu ni semua soalan-soalan lazim, saya bagi standard answer. Standard answer saya memang saya akan suruh diorang jawab satu borang soal selidik lah. Sebab kita ni guna benda tu sebagai kita punya pre-qualifier. Bukannya kita macam tak nak terima semua orang, tapi kita nak pastikan kita boleh bekerjasama dengan ibu bapa tu bila kita nak terima dia masuk dalam, anak dia terima dalam sekolah kita. Kan? So kita nak tahulah dia sebenarnya dia nak hantar anak pergi kat sekolah kita, apa dia punya objektif. Soalan-soalan macam tu lah. Kadang-kadang parents tertulis dekat saya, anak 4 tahun dia nak pandai membaca. Memang tak lah, saya kena bagi tahu saya punya sekolah bukan jenis buat latih tubi untuk anak pandai membaca awal umur 4 tahun. Sebab tak boleh, tak mungkin. Sebab dia punya otak masa time tu tak ready lagi untuk benda-benda macam tu kan. So sebab tu saya ada pre-qualifying question. So balik kepada you punya business, Puan Jamila, you perlukan perlu nak macam agihkan, delegate your job to somebody. Okay, and even if that somebody is your chatbot. Faham sama juga Cik Amzirin, Cik Am kan bekerja. So waktu siang orang nak message Cik Am tu, Cik Am bagi je Cik Am punya webshop punya tu. Chatbot punya link untuk diorang tanyalah sampai lebam kan. Then yang ni satu lagi, this is machine learning tau. This chatbot is a machine learning. Lagi ramai orang berinteraksi, dia boleh tahu bila orang tu tanya soalan, dia boleh hantar jawapan yang close to that answer, even though you tak train dia lagi. Tapi dia kena banyak interaksi lah. Maknanya orang kena banyak berinteraksi dengan dia, lebih daripada certain interaction, certain number of interaction, dia dah start machine learn. So machine learn tu dia akan improvise lah. Maknanya dia akan improvise dari segi kadang-kadang orang tanya, you tak ada pun letak variation tu. Tapi dia daripada soalan tu dia boleh detect dan dia akan push sebab dia ada keyword punya, dia akan pick up certain keyword. Okay.
Alright.
Sekarang pun kadang-kadang kita tengok kan macam dia bagi kita pilihan untuk tanya soalan apa tau. So kita pilih soalan tu, nanti jawapan pun dia dah memang sedia ada jawapan lah.
Ya, betul.
Dia boleh kita boleh apa macam pilih soalan apa kita nak tanya ataupun pilih jawapan apa yang kita nak kan. Nanti dia akan
Yes,
terus.
nanti betul. And then satu lagi, you punya carousel ni, kalau you ada banyak produk pun, katakan you ada 30-40 produk pun, dia boleh tunjuk pada satu masa tu 9. So kalau orang yang berbeza masuk, dia tak akan nampak sekuen yang sama. Faham tak? And then kalau orang yang sama atau orang yang berbeza masuk dekat you punya chatbot, dia tak akan dapat sekuen yang sama in terms of product carousel. Dia akan sentiasa berubah-ubah. Okay? Sebab bila you punya produk lebih pada 9. However, you can prioritize apa produk yang you nak tunjuk dulu. Kan? And then satu lagi kat sini yang saya rasa paling bagus is adalah juga di mana kalau chatbot tak faham apa orang tu tanya, dia akan sendiri cakap, you boleh setting di mana dia boleh call a number. Kadang-kadang kan orang tu dia tanya soalan yang chatbot pun tak faham. So dia akan cakap macam, do you want to talk to human? So dia akan bagi nombor. Jadi mudahlah orang pun boleh call. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, continue, Imtiaz.
Yeah. So since I just checked the settings. So since I was training the chatbot, the bot was deactivated. So now it's activated again after I pressed on live. So I'll just show the ones I just added, right? So it was not showing before. So I added this variation. See, now it's answering. And for the self pickup also, you can see I can just write self pickup. See, so the training that I just placed, since I was training the chatbot, it went again into deactivated mode. So after again activating it, it is now working. So anything you add will be shown here. So after that, so now after you're happy with your chatbot, so you want to promote your chatbot, so you have to promote it using the link. So in the messenger, you come to the messenger and you click on the shop, and this is the link for your chatbot. So you can just copy this link. You can copy link and you can share it on WhatsApp or on Facebook, wherever you want to promote it. So like for Jamila's page, this is Jamila's page, and this is her chatbot
link, is it?
Chatbot link. Yeah. So when you click on the page in the messenger, you get the link at the top. So you can just copy this link.
Well, the link is automatic pop up here.
Yeah. In the messenger, the link will come after you select.
Oh, okay.
See, if I select on this one, if I select on Harismina, it's one link. And if I select on your page, it's a different link. So this is your one.
Okay.
So for that, you need to keep on training your chatbot first before promoting it. So you have to keep on training your chatbot like how I showed. So I have only showed the ones for the normal replies, like self pickup, or maybe if you have delivery option. So for those, you can have normal replies. In the next training session, I'm going to show you how to add the buttons, because if I show adding the buttons and pictures now, it will be a little complicated for you, because I've showed a lot of things today. So,
Yeah.
so I think you can first, you can before the next session, next Zoom session, you can do one thing is the ones that I have already showed you, you can try it out. If you face problem, we can solve it in the next session. And then I'm also going to show you how to add the buttons, like the ones Lina showed about selecting the language, or maybe having product pictures. I can show you how to do that as well.
Okay.
So I think we are at the end of today's session. We have covered everything that we were supposed to do in today's session. So you guys can start.
Before we stop, can I know how many yang Umoda agent has signed up for chatbot? Encik Amzirin dah, Puan Jamilah dengan Puan Noraini dah kan?
Dah.
Okay. And then Cik Munif lah, Cik Munif is HQ kan? So
Yeah.
siapa lagi?
Currently we have Jamila and Mr. Amzirin.
Okay,
the two
Amzirin
of
was
them.
yesterday, and then yeah. So Jamila,
Noraini also already signed up, isn't it?
yes,
Noraini.
yes.
Okay.
I will follow up with her.
Yes.
Noraini and then who?
Boleh bagi dekat saya screenshot tak Puan, macam Cik Amzirin bagi semalam. Puan Jamila.
Oh my,
Puan Jamila.
bagi dekat Lena terus ke?
Ya. Boleh hantar dekat dalam grup.
Okay, alright. Saya bagi.
Okay, terima kasih. Thank you so much. Ya.
Terima kasih.
I follow up lagi Puan Nina diorang.
Okay, so thank you everyone for joining today. Hopefully
Thank you.
this
Thank
session was
you.
fruitful.
Thank you, Lina and Imtiaz.
Yeah, thank
Thank you. Tanya Kak Jamila,
Thank you
congrats.
all.
Jamila,
Thank
Cik
you
Am.
all.